Well, hello everybody and welcome to the summer 2021 edition of DI Connect, a virtual showcase that gives you exclusive behind the scenes access to all the latest and greatest features to roll out across the Dealer Inspire connected platform since the beginning of the year. Let's bring on Stephanie Kaczynski. She is our product owner for our website features team.
A really cool feature, and it is how we can drag and drop an entire template from one domain to another. I'm just simply going to click this template, it'll show me a plus, and there we go.
That's one of my favorite features.
It's like the ultimate magic trick. You just move one page from one website to another website.
Yeah.
That's nuts. All right, I am really excited to bring on Bree Whitfield. She is the product owner of Conversations.
So we just rolled out the latest version, which is V4. And with V4, we really wanted to put power back into the customer's hands and allow more customizations. So there's a lot more features and a lot more ability to customize, like the messaging and images and whatnot within the Conversations.
I really love the new UI of V4 Conversations. It just looks sleek, it looks modern, and then it gives you all that ability to add additional content in that kind of welcome preview screen.
Now let's bring on Jonah Cole, who is our product owner for Online Shopper.
And Facebook, here we have what everybody knows, inventory advertisements, right? So I like this 2021 HRV. I'm gonna click on Shop Now. So what this is doing is it's going to open up our modern retailing experience. So I went right from being a considered or customer, it's in the audience of consideration for a vehicle, right into, boom, I'm paying with my phone.
You could do it from a Google ad, from a Bing ad, from an email, and such like a game changer. Jessica Ruth, the product owner for Automatic, is just the person to get us up to speed.
Right, so shoppers love control. I'm gonna give them that control because I'm gonna text them. They can come back later. So I've got this link in here. We're gonna talk about that in a second. I'm gonna put this in here. All right, so I've added my message into this, and then I've also added the magic link. The magic link is a unique URL that takes the shopper straight to their garage.
That is so awesome, and I know it's gonna be so useful to our dealers.
And it's just a taste of what we have to come in the remainder of this year and into next year to some really exciting things around the roadmap.